Believe it or not, what you just heard takes only one hand, 4 shapes, and a few minutes to learn. Let's fly! Today, you'll nail the 4 most used pop chords on the planet: C, G, A minor, and F. Then you turn them into a mini groove that sounds like Perfect from Ed Sheeran. Or Let It Be by the Beatles. Or Stand By Me. Maybe you already noticed my left hand always played the same chords: C, G, A minor, and F. But we'll get there in a second. We go through it step by step. Every step lasts 30 till 40 seconds. If you fall behind, do not pause. I'll repeat just enough to catch you up. So, fingers loose, shoulders down, and smile on. First, you see the 2 black keys? The white key just on the left of them is C. Place your right hand thumb here. Now, let's skip this note and your middle finger place the next white key. This is E. Then slide 1, 2 key to the right with your pinky finger. This name is G. Okay, so now we have C, E, and G. And we play a game. Let me remove the notes in my video. And I name a note and you play them. You play it, all right? Please play E. All right, next, please play C. 3, 2, 1. All right, next, please play the note G. 3, 2, 1. All right, great, congratulations. Let me bring the notes back. You can be super proud. Let's move on with the next part, and that's the sandwich shape. So, we play thumb C, pinky G. Next, we go to the next shape. It's the same distance, and we only move our hand down to G and D. Same distance, next chord. Now let's move these 2 notes up to A and E. Again, same distance. And now let's move it down to F and C. 1, 2, F and C. Okay, quick loop drill. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we play together, all right? We play on 1, on 2 we hold, we play on 3, on 4 we hold, and again 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. We do this 2 more times. C and G. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. So here's the good news. First of all, you can be super proud. because you already played 4 chords. And these are power chords, because we don't know if these are major or minor chord. This is what our middle note is for. This is a C power chord. When I play the middle finger, this is a C major chord. When this middle note moves down, this is a minor chord. Ooh, mysterious. Major and minor. You don't have to remember this right now. It's not so important. All you need to know is the middle note decides if it's happy or mysterious, thoughtful, sad. That's the minor sound. All right? So, for now we keep it easy. Our middle note plays a wide key, no matter if it's major or minor. So we have C major. We go down to G and D, play the middle note, that's B, and that's G major. Now we go to our next notes, A and E, play the middle note, that's C. This is minor. Now we go to F and C, play the middle note, that's A, and that's F major. So we have C major, G major, A major, and F major. So if you want a little fancy, you can always try out major and minor for every chord. This is super advanced. This is something only if you want to try a little more advanced stuff. Okay, but for now, we keep it easy and fun. And we are adding a right hand pattern. And this sounds like this. And this is a nice pop ballad pattern. And all we do is we play middle finger and pinky and then thumb. And we change it back and forth. Middle finger, pinky, thumb. Middle finger, pinky, thumb. But important, try to play these two notes really at the same time. Not like this, but really on point. Thumb, middle finger, pinky. Thumb, middle finger, pinky. Repeat this 10 times. Then, very important, shake your hand. Loose it. Shake your entire arm. Get up. And then sit down again to relax. Because it's very unrelaxing at the beginning for every piano student. So let's try this again. Middle finger, pinky, thumb. Middle finger, pinky, thumb. Middle finger, pinky, thumb. So when I press my pedal and play this faster, it sounds like this. When I move to the next chord, which in this case is A, it sounds like this. Then we move to the next chord, 1, 2, this is F major. And our last chord is G major. And all together sounds like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, that was a little too fast. I know, I wanted to give you the picture, but this change from one chord to the next is hard. So let's do this a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, move up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! And a little faster again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! And now I have a pro tip for you. And this is that you add the pointer finger. It makes it sound a little bluesy, a little more professional. It's fatter. Listen to without my pointer finger to this sound. Let me add this. Do you notice that we're adding a little salt, a little spicy? Yeah, without and with. It's still the same chord, it's still similar, but this is a spicy note with our pointer finger. Yeah? And when I play this, it sounds like this. Some people like it, some people don't. But what I can guarantee you is when you listen to ballads by Whitney Houston or Mariah Carey or Justin Bieber or whatever, and when there's a piano ballad and the piano player very often plays this pointer finger as well. Yeah, so super, super powerful and a little bonus trick. But we are not done yet. We're adding the left hand. And the left hand plays C for our C chord. You can play this with a pointer finger and play all the notes that we are going to play with a pointer finger, or you do it like me and play this with thumb. When we move to our next chord, A minor, the left hand plays A together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the left hand plays F, and the right hand goes to F major together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know the pinky is a weak finger. It's hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 up, G major, and left G together. Right, right, right. So let's try this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little faster. All right. So, and here's the thing. With these chords, you can play thousands of songs. But at the beginning, I think I named 3 songs. Perfect by Ed Sheeran. For me. something like this. Yeah, the chords are definitely the right ones, but I'm not a singer. The next one was Let It Be. That starts with A minor. Let it be, G, let it F, let it and C. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. These are all the same chords, and Stand By Me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, won't you stand by me? Just as long, F as you, G. Stand by me and C. Yeah, great. So if you made this, you can be super, super, super proud. Congratulations. So here's the thing. I do have a thank you for you if you made it to the end of this video. And that's my free piano crash course for beginners. It's free for my subscribers. So please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. It's free. It costs you absolutely nothing. Just the click of a button. I'm also happy if you give the thumbs up. And as a thank you, I have a free piano course that's perfect for beginners. If you like this video, you will love my piano course. I link it down in the description where you get to my website, verdemusica.com. And yeah, if you like this video, I'm 100% sure you will absolutely love this course. So thank you so much for being here. I'm looking forward to see you on the free piano crash course. The best thing is you pause the video, grab it real quick, come back to this video, because then you can click here and go on with the next one.